Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a big fat like on this video. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning this lawn mower deck, and yeah. So that being said, let's get right into it. Alright guys, that is how you clean your lawnmower deck in 2025. As you can see, cleaned all this crap out. Cleaned all this crap out right here, as you can see. And yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and yeah, can't wait to see you on the next one. So that being said, see you on the next one. Peace.